Is he? Am I saying it? Hey, well, it's nice to meet you. I
Nice to
live
meet you.
good, honey. I live in the United States of America. Where do you live?
I live India. It's very big city.
It's a very big city. Okay, good. Well, my city is not that big, but it's a little bit smaller. But it's nice to meet you. Yes, a little bit smaller. Yes. Okay. Are you ready to do your lesson?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. All right. Today we're going to talk about what people like and don't like and don't prefer. You'll see. Can you read this with me?
Sammy is a top of mountain. Sammy needs to go around the mountain. So big mountain.
Very big mountains. You read that very well. You read very well. Good job. Excellent.
I need to land.
Yes, he needs to land. He went around the big mountains and now he needs to land. Let's see what the problem is. He has a hole in the balloon, so he has to land. Excuse me a minute. Excuse me, I'm sorry about that. So he has to land. So we'll see what happens next.
Okay.
All right. Can you read this?
Yes. If we help people, they might give us clue or help fix the balloon.
Right. They might help us fix the balloon. That's right. Or they might give us a clue about what we can do. Good job. You're doing great, honey.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, can you read this?
Yes. With your tutor. Can you help fix balloon and guess where we are? Let's go.
Let's go. That's right. Let's go. That's great. Let's help fix the balloon and see what we can do. Okay. All right. Can you read this out loud?
Yes, I hate paint. I really do not like it.
Good.
This one.
Oh, you know where that one goes? Okay. Yes, he's showing that he hates painting. Hate. There. Okay. How about this one?
Okay, this one. I does mind. Okay.
Don't
I don't mind playing music. I does like
Don't.
it. I don't like it, and I don't dislike it.
Okay, great. That's excellent reading. What they're telling you here is
Look,
if you don't mind doing something, that means you don't like it, but you don't dislike it. It's just in the middle. You don't care. So where would they put the music right in the middle here. He doesn't hate it. He doesn't like it. So it's right in the middle. Okay? Do you understand? Okay,
yes.
and that word is don't. Can you say don't? Don't. Don't. Good. Okay. You're doing an excellent job, honey. Really good. We're going to give you a star, okay? Good job. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, can you read this?
Yes, of course. I like playing soccer, but
This word is
actually
prefer, right?
I prefer reading. I like playing soccer, but I like reading more.
Very good. Okay, so we got this one. They show the person likes playing soccer, but
This one little bit happy and this one very happy.
right, they prefer reading. They like to read more than they like to play soccer, but they like reading more. So it goes over here. Okay, good. You're doing great on this. This isn't that easy, and you're doing great. Can you say this word again? Prefer. I want to make sure you know how to say it. Prefer. Yes. That means you prefer. That means you like something more. You prefer it.
Yes.
Right. Okay, very good, honey. All right, let's go to the next slide. Now you're going to match the word to the feeling. Remember, hating something goes here, loving something goes here, and then this is where you don't love or hate it, and these go in between, okay? So can you sort the words from the most to the least?
Hate.
Right.
And dislike this.
How about love? Where does love go? Here's love. If hate goes over here,
1 minute I do.
can you read this? That's a big word there. I'll help you with it.
Okay. This is a
Traditional
kind of hat called a
chulo.
Hmm?
Chulo.
Chulo. It is very warm and very colorful.
Very
It's
good.
very warm.
Yes, in the summer that would be warm, but in the winter it would keep you nice and warm, even if your hair was going choo, choo, choo. And see all the pretty colors it has? Colorful means it has pretty colors.
I
And
am telling you the colors: yellow, light blue, dark blue, and white dots, and white lines, and pink, and zigzag greens, zigzag light green, and
Right.
yellow.
Good job. That's great. That's perfect. And that's called a chulo. And traditional means it's the kind of hat that they usually wear there. That's why it's called traditional. Okay. That's a big word, traditional. Okay. You're doing great, honey. Let's go to the next slide. Okay. Now look at this. Can you read this?
Alex likes sandwich.
See, so they show how he loves sandwiches. So they show it at the love part.
I like sandwich.
Me too. What kind of sandwich is your favorite?
My only one chicken sandwich.
Chicken sandwich. Okay. My favorite is chicken sandwich too. Okay. All right. So can you read this about the next one?
Yes, of course. Tom loves cake.
Right. Tom loves cake. So I think that's what they want you to do here. They want you to say, like, Alex hates cake.
Yes.
Alex loves sandwiches. Do you see?
Alex
Okay.
hates cakes. Need this.
Right. Right. And she loves sandwiches. Right?
She loves-
And Kim, what does Kim? Kim hates broccoli.
Kim
But
hates broccoli.
So this is a clue for us. This is some kind of instrument, and I don't know how to play it.
Okay, I know.
Okay. We'll go to the next one. You're doing so well, honey. All right. Now they tell us what it is. I like your shirt.
Thank you.
That. Did I show you my monkey? I have monkey. Did you see monkey? Hello. This is my monkey. Monkey likes to come sometimes. Okay. Now, if the cat is in the place,
I don't like any pets. I like only cats, not dogs.
Only
Dogs
cats.
do like this with their oh.
yes, they could bite you. Yes. I don't like dogs too much either. They go ruff, 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 ruff all the time. Yes.
It's very, very noisy.
Yes, it is very, very noisy. They're very noisy dogs.
And naughty cats do like this. Two cats fighting.
Yes. Yes, and when they do that, that's very noisy. Yes. And they can scratch you. But they usually don't. They're usually very nice.
Look, his scratch.
Right. Okay, can you figure this out? If he prefers cats to dogs, okay, so he likes cats better than dogs. So dogs would, I think you move this. Oh no, you draw it. Okay. So, does this move? Can you move this? Can you move this around or no?
Yes, okay.
Does it move?
Yes.
Okay, then move that where I prefer cats to dogs. So he prefers cats more, and then dogs would probably go over here. Does that whole thing move, or you just drop a line? Yeah, there you go, honey. Okay. And then what's the next line say? I want you to do the reading.
This one, bears, dog. Bears, dog, I think.
Two
bear.
birds, right. So dogs, two birds. So then birds would go over
Two birds.
here, right? Right. Right over here. So draw your line to birds right here.
Okay.
But then he likes birds better than snakes.
Snakes.
Let's see. So, oh, this is very confusing. Right. Okay. And then he prefers snakes to fish. So fish, he likes fish the least. Yeah, fish he likes the least. Good. Okay, that was confusing, that page. And you did a great job on that. I'm giving you a star for that.
Okay.
Good job, honey. You're smart as could be.
It's
All right.
only 1 star.
It's only 1 star. Yeah, well, we owe 4 stars now. 4. 4 stars for you. Okay. Now they want you to sort what they like from the least to the most. This is the least. This is what they don't like. This is what they hate. And this is what they love. Okay?
I hate cherries.
You hate cherries?
I hate apples.
Right, so where does...
I like apples.
Yes, I like apples too. But this person hates apples. So where would hate apples go? Very good. Okay. And then what does the person say? I prefer...
I prefer pears to apple.
So where would pears go? If he prefers pears to apple. Right. Good job. All right, honey.
I
Prefer.
prefer bananas to pear.
So where would the bananas go? If he likes the bananas. Good. Good job. Okay. Prefer.
I prefer orange to
Oranges
banana
to bananas. Okay.
to bananas, okay?
Okay. So he likes oranges to bananas. So then that would go here, right?
Okay.
This is clue number 3. Okay. We'll find out on the next slide what it is. Uh-oh. Look what it is. Can you read that?
Yes, it is a toy lamb.
Llama.
Llama. Llama looks like camel. We use llama wool to make clothes.
Yes, we do. So there. Go ahead, honey.
Winter.
Right, for winter.
I am how to do. Take a t-shirt and color the wool and give some glue and put in.
Right. Good idea. Well, this is a llama, and we have 3 clues here. We have the chulo, the panpipes, and the llama. And this should tell us what country the balloon landed in. Okay? Let's find out. Oh, that's not telling us yet. Okay, we're going to play this little game. Would you rather?
I scared to boats. I don't scared to airplane. Airplane just inside.
Right. Boat outside in the water. So this game says I prefer this person.
If do like this, it's very dangerous. I can't go in that.
Right. Me neither. I'm afraid of airplanes. But this person says I prefer boats. I am scared of airplanes. But now you prefer airplanes, right, honey? You do? Okay. Me too. How about this one? What's he doing here?
I don't like to play kites. I like to swim.
You rather swing. So say I prefer swinging.
Okay.
Can you say that? I
Yes.
prefer swinging. Can you
Okay.
say that?
Yes, of course. I prefer swimming. Like this.
Okay, good, honey. Look at this one. Yummy. This is going to be a hard one. What do you prefer here? Ice cream or cake?
Ice cream.
Okay.
I hate cake.
Oh, you hate cake? Oh, okay. I like them both. but you prefer ice cream. Okay, you prefer airplanes, you prefer swinging, you prefer ice cream. Okay, what about this? Do you know what this is, honey?
And you?
Me? I prefer cake. I love cake. And I prefer airplanes, and I prefer swinging.
Okay, you go to airplanes?
No, I have not gone on an airplane. I have not gone on an airplane. Have you?
Okay. Look, tomorrow I in this class, and I have big building, and this go 9th floor. I am also go 9th floor with Camille teacher.
Oh, you are, huh? Okay, great. Hey, I'm going to give you another star. You've done great. We only have 35 seconds left. You've done such a good job. I loved working with you. I'd like to work with you again, honey. You're so fun. You're so smart. Your English is so good.
The next teacher come, his missing class, you join again, okay?
Okay, sounds good. Now, how about this? One more thing. Do you know what this is? Do you know what this is here? This is supposed to be?
Which one? I don't like that. I like big buildings.
Big city, big building. You like the big city. All right, bye-bye, honey. It was nice working with you.